Guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Inside Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the economics assignments of NIOS. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF form and handwritten form. So if you need answers of all the questions in the handwritten or PDF form, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And if you need any guidance regarding this, you can contact also. Now, the question number one is saying that economic facts and figures are called positive economics, whereas normative economics deals with what ought to be explained with statement with appropriate examples. Establishment of metro train network is the reflection of expansion and change of wants justify this statement. So this is the first question which you can see on the screen, and if you need answer of these questions you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which we will provide on PDF and in handwritten form. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.